Oh dear.
Everybody, this morning I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real good.
Can you feel good outside?
I did it.
I knew I was going to have eggs splattered all over the stove.
That's actually the way I want them cooked right there. Folks, this ain't gonna be a pretty deal.
You want both on there?
Yeah, we're gonna put them both.
Okay.
I want 2 eggs this morning,
That's
everybody.
a lot of eggs.
There is a lot going on right there. Almost need to take a pair of scissors and just trim around the side of that bad boy. Let's cut some of it off. Oh, then. Look there.
This one? Sissy's on breakfast duty. What else is on the menu? Cinnamon rolls. Fruit. Yeah. Manly's frosting his over here. She saved him some in this pack so he could frost his own. You're doing good.
Do we have any raspberries?
No, we just have strawberries, blackberries, or grapes. You want grapes or blueberries?
Okay.
So we don't always have 2 different breakfasts, but sometimes Titus has to leave really early if he's going to a farm that's far away. Like this morning he left, I think it was about 6:45 or something like that. Maybe close to 7. Anyway, sometimes he leaves before the kids have even gotten up yet. And depending on what it is, sometimes if it's something that I know they'll want to have, I just go like pancakes, of course. I just go ahead and make a lot of them and then they'll eat theirs when they get up. But sometimes if it's something I know, you know, they won't really want or they'll want something different, I just wait until they wake up. And then we'll do another quick breakfast. Y'all, it's been a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful. All day long, not one drop of rain. That's all about to change because the rain returns tomorrow.
Mama, is this soap for your hands?
Yes, for hands or dishes.
Can you put some on mine?
Mm-hmm.
Because they got very dirty.
Your hands got dirty.
Mm-hmm.
We'll move these dishes out of your way. Now you're ready. Can you wash those dishes while you're over there?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
No, I will sit actually.
I'll do the knife.
Okay. I will do the fork.
Here you go, sir. Whee! It's time to cook supper. We're having pork chops casserole tonight. It's like a French onion. Where'd that towel go, Manny Mac? Oh, I see it. French onion pork chops casserole. So first, we're gonna sear the pork chops a little bit in a pan on the stove top.
Can you do the hot part and I'll do the hot part?
Yeah, but let's scoot you over all the way to the refrigerator so you're not near the hot part over here, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan. We're just gonna season the pork chops with salt and pepper. I have this pack of boneless pork chops. We've been outside ever since we finished school this afternoon. Roosty's crowing. The kids jumped on the trampoline pretty much the whole time while I was over in the garden just looking at everything. Just like go out and look at it every day. It's exciting to see all the changes that happen. Did I say I was seasoning these with salt and pepper? That's all I'm doing to the pork chops, just salt and pepper. Still worried about that little pepper plant because it's nothing same. It's the same. It's the same as it's been since we planted it. What do y'all think is going on with that? Should we maybe move it to another spot or is it just done? I mean, it still looks alive, just not growing. So you don't have to cook these pork chops on the stovetop first if you don't want to. But searing them on both sides like this is gonna give them a little bit of a crispy outside and it'll be really good in the casserole, but you don't have to, you can skip this part. Just season them with salt and pepper and then, you know, layer the casserole. Once we get these cooking in the frying pan, I'm gonna slice up the potatoes. Probably just need about 2 of these potatoes because these are pretty big, maybe 3. I'm not gonna remove the peeling, but you can if you want to. We're just gonna leave it on. And we just need to go about 3 to 4 minutes per side on our pork chops because they'll finish cooking while they're in the oven. I've already got it preheated to 350. Y'all know we love the mango drink from Honey on the Hill. Well, I've tried to figure out how to make that one, but you gotta have, you know, certain things that are just, you know, not easy to get. But we also watch the Milkshake Man, right? I gotta spray my 9x13 pan. The kids love them. We call him the Milkshake Man. His channel is actually called The White Elephant. The kids love to watch him make those milkshakes and different things. So he made a mango one. I think it was on Mother's Day that he posted it. So we're gonna make a mango milkshake tonight. Of course, I don't think everybody will want a mango one, so we'll probably do a few different flavors. But you like mango? Yeah. I washed 3 of these potatoes, but we may only need 2 because you want them to be sliced really thin and just have like 1 layer on the bottom of your pan. They can overlap a little bit, but you don't want them to be too thick or they won't get tender enough while they're cooking because they're only going to be in the oven for about 30 minutes. And you know what? I said 350, y'all, but we need to go to 375. We're gonna flip the pork chops. Back to the, yeah, we're just gonna need 2 potatoes, y'all. I almost only washed 2, but I thought, oh, I might need 3. For the potatoes, we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna sprinkle a few minced onions on there. And a little bit of pepper. We need 1 cup of milk.
What am I going to put the milk in?
I'm going to get you a bowl.
Okay.
Okay. Ah! Milk has been added to the bowl. Let's see.
Give me a towel.
Here you go. You did pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
I was going to help you with that. That was a pretty big piggy, huh?
Too big.
Okay, so we've got the milk in there. Now we need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup.
Oh, I can do that.
Oh yeah, what I was saying, the pork chops beat, I turned the stovetop off, but I'm just leaving them there on the heat so they can get a little browner on that other side.
I can do that.
Can? I'm afraid this might cut you. Let me take the top off, okay?
Okay. You can pour that in, and I will do this part.
Okay. Putting in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so we've got the milk and the cream of mushroom. I think I'm gonna add just a little more milk, just in case we lost a good bit here. We'll put just a little bit more.
Okay, all the cream of mushroom is gone.
We're putting in 1/2 cup of sour cream.
We need cheese.
We need cheese, that's right. We need 1 cup of shredded cheese. I have this Tillamook triple cheddar blend.
Do we have to drop it in there?
Yeah, we gotta drop 1 cup in there. This has sharp, medium white, and medium cheddar in it. But you can just use regular cheddar.
Yeah, this will be a little easier.
We're gonna put 1/2 cup of French fried onions in here, and we're gonna need some more to go on top later.
Cheese. Can you do this?
Yeah, I can do it.
And I'll drink some of my chocolate milk.
Okay, sounds like a plan. So we put the pork chops on top of the potatoes. Now we pour the soup mixture all over the top, and then we're gonna cover it, and it's gonna bake for 30 minutes. Then we'll uncover it and add some more of the French fried onions to the top, and it'll bake for about 10 to 15 more minutes just to brown those. We already did a little taste test of the French onion pork chops. They are great, especially the potatoes underneath the pork chops. They're really, really tender. They almost turn into like a creamy potato wonderfulness. They're great. And the pork chops are really tender. This one is definitely a keeper.